Hi guys, today let us study about the air conditioning system. Well, what is air conditioning? The process of simultaneous controlling of the temperature, humidity, cleanliness and the air motion of a confined space is called as air conditioning. Well, what is the principle of this air conditioning? The principle is similar to that of the refrigeration, but here it is done without an insulated box. Cooling is achieved using a vapor compression refrigerator cycle. Here, a refrigerant, usually Freon 22 or hydrofluorocarbon types such as R134A, R410A, etc., is made to circulate through various components like evaporator, compressor, condenser, the expansion valve to complete the working cycle. Let us understand this by looking into the working of a room air conditioner. A room air conditioner is an air conditioning system which is designed to cool a single room. This air conditioning unit mainly consists of a compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. This works in a vapor compression cycle. The components of the system include an air filter, a control panel, a double shaft motor and a blower. The evaporator and expansion valve are located inside the room while the compressor and condenser are located outside the room. These parts are separated by an insulated partition wall within the air conditioner casing. In working, the blower will first draw the warm air from the room through the air filter and over the evaporator coils. The low pressure and low temperature liquid refrigerant flowing through the evaporator coils will absorb the heat from the warm air. Hence, the refrigerant will now undergo a change of phase from liquid to vapor. The blower will then deliver this cool air into the room. This will mix with the room air to bring down the temperature and humidity of the room. Now, the low temperature and low pressure vapor refrigerant from the evaporator is drawn into the compressor. Here, it is compressed to high pressure and temperatures. Now, the high pressure and high temperature vapor refrigerant will flow through the condenser coils. The fan, which is located outside, will draw the atmospheric air and will blow it over the condenser coils. Hence, the heat which is contained in the refrigerant will be dissipated to the atmosphere. From this, the vapor refrigerant will be condensed to the liquid state. Now, the high pressure and low temperature liquid refrigerant will enter the expansion valve. Here, it undergoes expansion to a low temperature and low pressure. This low pressure and low temperature liquid refrigerant will now enter the evaporator coils. The same cycle will be repeated again and again until the desired temperature inside the room is achieved. Let us see some of the applications of air conditioning. Well, the primary use of air conditioning is to provide comfort for the human beings and also to control the environment for various industrial activities. Hence, air conditioners are used for comfort applications such as in residential buildings, family houses, in industrial buildings and hospitals, in commercial buildings such as malls, shopping centers, restaurants and offices, and also in transportation like cars, buses, aircrafts, etc. The air conditioning is also used for process applications such as in hospitals, especially in operation theaters, in nuclear power plants, textile factories, food processing centers, and so on. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.